Okay, so the one thing that I really love, I mean, there are a lot of things I love about this build, but what my absolute favorite is our gym. Because it allows us to work out wherever we are. Right now we're in a pretty remote location, like no service, no internet, nothing. But we have our gym set up, we have our shower, so we can just basically stay fit on the road, which is awesome if you're into fitness like I am. Basically our setup, we have pull-up bars, we have a TRX knockoff suspension system that really allows you to work out with your body weight. And we have kettlebells for just some extra weight for, at least for me, like lower body workouts. And then also we have push-up bars. And of course the back of the van kind of doubles as a step-up box thingy, which I also love to use like for other exercises. But Will, wait, can you come explain how you build this thingy structure?
All right. Okay, so...
Come sit here. Close. Yay. That's what I like.
Alright. So we just went to Home Depot. We bought some black pipes from the plumbing section. And then we just screwed them together till they all fit in. And then we just built some sturdy rack that hangs off 2 hooks on the back beam of the van. And yeah, we just throw our T-Rex on that, 2 pull-ups off of it.
Yeah. I mean, first we tried to make just hang one pull-up bar from the back door thingy, but that wasn't really safe. I could do a pull-up, but he could definitely not. So this is why we kind of came up with the structure. Should we go up close and show it?
Okay.
I think it's pretty cool.
All right, so this is the hooks that we just drilled into the beam here, and then we slide these poles through. And then this hook here, or this connector piece here, that unscrews when we take it apart. And same on this side here. And then each piece comes off, and then we just store it in the garage underneath the bed. The whole system costed, what was it, like?
I think the whole thing was 180 Canadian dollars.
Yeah, I think it was like 180 Canadian. And like, I don't know what that is in the US, like 150 or something. But there it is. And this is Michelle's kettlebell. She likes to do her what do you call them?
Deadlifts.
Deadlifts.
Squats.
Pistol squats, hip thrust.
Stuff like that. Awesome stuff. Maybe we should tell them like kind of the measurements of these ones, because those are like, the small ones are 24-inch, right?
Yeah.
And the bigger ones are 48?
Yeah, we can put a list of that in.
Yeah, it's probably better.
Kind of boring.
Yeah, because I can't even remember.
Yeah, we'll put a list of the pipes you need. Maybe not right away, but some point in the future.
Yeah, definitely.
So here's the view. Boom, look at that. So I woke up this morning. Well, we woke up and then I set it up. Of course.
I mean, this is why we worked out today, which is pretty awesome.
Yeah. All right, should we get some breakfast?
Yep. I'm hungry.
Sign off.
Okay. So this is our gym setup. We are going to be traveling now because we're finally left Vancouver. So you'll see a lot of us traveling the country, traveling the Americas, working out, eating healthy food, that kind of stuff. If you like it, subscribe. See you guys later.
One last shot because it's so nice.
It is beautiful.
All right, we're on.